2025 817 BK अंग्रेजी केवल प्रश्न पत्र हाई स्कूल पार्ट ए क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 to 3 read the following passage carefully and choose to correct options given to answer the question that follow. A few days later, Premchand resigned his job of inspector of school after having worked in the department for 20 years. He was a free man after all. Now he could write novels and story about his country and its people. In his books, he dealt with the lives of the peasants and workers. He revealed the greed and meanness of the moneylenders, landlords, and priests. He attacked the social evil like dowry and early marriage. He held society responsible for the sins of women. Question 1. About whom could Premchand write after his retirement? About the novel only, about nation only, about people only, about country and its people. D option correct. 2. Whom did he hold responsible for the sins of women? Society. C option is correct. Which word in the passage is the opposite of hid? Revealed. Question number 4 to 8. Choose the correct options. Answer the following. The train had left station before he arrived. If you want food, you are hungry. Rearrange the following word cluster, make a meaningful sentence. Going, be, are, thought, to be, lessons, good, a, him, by. Are we going to be taught a good lesson by him? B option correct. Which of the following words is misspelled? Acclaim, classified as certain. C option correct. Monkey were jumping on one branch to another. D option correct. From. Question number 9 to 10. Read the passage given below and choose the correct option to answer the question that follow. He felt certain that his wings would never support him, so he bent his head and ran away back to the little hole under the ledge where he slept at night. Even when each of his head and ran away back to the little hole under the ledge where he slept at night, even when each of his brothers and his little sisters, whose wings were far shorter than his own, ran to the brinks, flapped their wings and flew away. He failed to muster up courage to take that plunge, which appeared to him too desperate. 9. The seagull felt certain that his wings would never support him, suggest that he would come down if he flies. A option correct. 10. Fail to muster up courage means become disheartened. D option correct. Question numbers 14 to 13. Choose the correct options to answer the following questions. 11. Never in his as a postman had he know that address. Never his career. C option is correct. During our childhood in Goa, the baker used to be our friend, companion, and guide. B option correct. Suddenly, Bully clapped her hand with glee. D option correct. Question number 14, 15. Read the given extract and choose the correct option to answer the following questions. I sit inside doors, open to the veranda, writing long letters in which I scarcely mention the departure of the first of the forest from the house. The night is fresh, the whole moon shines in a sky still open. The smell of leaves and lichen still reaches like a voice into the rooms. 14. What does the poet scarcely mention while writing letters? The departure of the forest from the house. D option correct. How does the smell of leaves and lichen reach into the poet's room? Like a voice. D option correct. Question number 16 to 20. Choose the correct option to answer the following questions. 16. Where did Tricky keep his coats and raincoat? On his bed, in his sleeping room, on the chair, in under the robe. In his sleeping room. B option is correct. What did Ausaville bring to Paris from Boston? A wonderful plant, a beautiful chair, American accent, some strange things. D option correct. Some strange things. What time did Griffin choose to wander about London? A good time, bad time, suitable time, unsuitable time. A suitable time. C option is correct. Who attend cry astonishment? B option is correct. MME Mrs. Forestier. 20. Why was Ramlal worried about Bholi? C option correct. Bholi had neither good look nor intelligence. Part B. Reading. 1. Read the following passage and answer the question that follow. Man is made up of many qualities, both good and bad, and among anger, the nature of every human being is such that anything that given offense to anger, the nature of every human being is such that anything that gives offense to his sentiment or goes against his principle excites his anger. The evils which result from anger are many under its influence. A man loses his power of reasoning and judgment, not being able to ration, control over himself. When angry, he does not know what he is doing or saying. Under its influence, a man is angry. He does not know what he is doing or saying. Under its influence, a man is so much put off his balance that he forgets his duty towards his superiors, and many even go to the extent of saying things which are extremely insulting to them. When anger gets the better of man, he is capable of committing the worst crime, and there is nothing to be surprised at if under its evil influence he commit murder. A. What quality does excite man anger? B. What does a man lose under the influence of anger? C. What does a man lose under the influence of anger? What is the worst crime that man commit when he is beyond the control of anger? D. Which word in the passage is the opposite of irrationality? Writing. Write a letter to your mother, giving her your repressions, what you like and what you do not like in your college. Or write an application to principal of your college, requesting him or her to issue a transfer certificate as your father has been transferred. 3. Write a report on a visit to a hospital in about 80 to 100 words. Hint: introduction, an age of hospital and nursing homes, numbers of hospital in the area you visited, building and management, your impression. Or look at the circle below, taking clues from them. Write an article on co-education in about 80 to 100 words. Co-education. Its impaction both girl and boys, its usage, its misuse, conclusion, importance of education. Grammar. 4a. Rewrite the following sentence by changing into indirect sentence. The principal said to the teacher, "What did you teach your student in the morning?" B. Change the following into passive voice. Never play a dirty game. Punctuate the following. Priya, the director of an English school in Dehradun, said to the teachers to do not come late. D. Translate the following into English. आजकल यात्रा बहुत असुरक्षित हो गई है। हम रात में बस में यात्रा नहीं कर सकते। कुछ बदमाश और लुटेरे बस में सवार हो जाते हैं। बिना किसी सुरक्षा के बसें सुनसान रास्ते से रात में गुजरती हैं। लिटरेचर. 5. Answer the following question in about 30 to 40 words each. A. Whose freedom was curtailed as narrated by Mandela in the lesson Long Walk to Freedom. Or what was the distance of the town from village and its fair for one side? When and where did the writer's mother emigrate? Or for what purpose were the writer and his friend going to Basra? Answer. Six answer. Uh, any one of the following in about 60 words. How did Mandela hunger for freedom change his life? A. Why does Valli refuse to look out of window on her way back? 7. How has the poet mood changed as described in the poem Dust of Snow? Or write 4 lines of any poem. Prescribe your syllabus. Do not copy the lines given in the question paper. 8. Write the central idea of any of the following poems in about 40 to 50 words. A. A tiger in the zoo. B. How to tell wild animals. C. Trees. 9. Answer any one of the following in about 30 to 40 words. A. Why was the thief Hari Singh grateful to Anil? B. What should one do to question dogs as experienced by Haras Danbe? 10. Answer any of one of the following in about 60 words. A. Are book like Anil and Hari Singh? Are people like Anil and Hari Singh found only in fiction or in real life? Also, give your opinion on the basis of lesson the thief story be. What are the qualities that go into the making of a screen scientist? Making of a scientist.